Hey guys, welcome to our channel What Women Want W3. It's your one-stop destination. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Stay home, stay safe guys. Hey guys, let's get into the video now. We are going to make a pizza today without maida, without all-purpose flour, no egg, no yeast, nothing. It's purely protein rich and lot of veggies involved in this. So today we are going to make Adai pizza, or also called as cheela. So that will be the base. You can prepare your Adai or cheela batter, and the other ingredients required are onions, garlic, corn, capsicum, tomato and some cheese cubes. Of course the Adai batter or the cheela batter. So first I'm going to season my pan, which is an iron pan. Already I have shown a video of how to season a pan using rice water. But some of them ask that we're unable to make it with rice water, so this is the second option, the best one. Every time you start making dosa or cheela or adai, you can cut in half an onion, add some oil and just saute it. You're good to go. The seasoning is done. Now I'm adding the batter. You can see the consistency. It's not too flowy and not too thick, so this is the best consistency to get the good one. Just smear it well and add a good amount of oil, which is sufficient for a dosa, and I'm going to close it for a while and then add chopped onions, capsicum, tomatoes and garlic. One by one I'm going to add everything and just close it for a second so that I can press it well and it gets stuck with the batter. And please remove that excess water, else it gets very soggy. I'll just show at the end of the video that one of the dosas got soggy. And also add tomatoes towards the end when the base is little hard, else also it gets very watery. So now I have flipped it over and I'm going to drizzle in a good amount of cheese. 1 cube of cheese, which I'm using for a cheela. You can see how it's coming down. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's just falling out so well. If you want, you can use 2 cubes or 3 cubes, but I didn't want to make it very high in calorie. We're not doing any exercise or anything, guys, so better just be happy with 1 cube. I know it didn't give a great cheesy effect, but of course calorie also counts, so make sure that you're keeping in that also in the mind. Otherwise it's a very nutritional pizza. You have your protein in the morning with loads of veggies, and I added in some corn at the end. It was boiled, so I just added at the end. Don't use raw corn, and that would be good to go now. So you can see how beautiful it looks. My husband likes it this way, so he likes the grated cheese to be left over like that and not the soggy cheese. So I have just stopped the burner right now and it's ready to serve, and I have added some sauce on top of that. So I am serving it this way. You can also keep it in low flame and close it with the lid and let it go for some time so that you get the cheesy look. Now this is a blooper, guys, and as I told you, the water remained, so it got torn apart. It happens, yes, it happens, but this is the best part of the video too, the cheese falling effect. So both happens, so make sure that you don't add excess water, or when you're closing the lid, the excess water should be removed off, else you may get that. Okay guys, catch you in my next video. Till then, bye.